Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we are going to be taking a look at some beautiful hair transformations, hairstyle ideas that you can try out this fall season. So if you've been thinking of switching things up and doing something new and exciting with your hair, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of today's hairstyles, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now here we have someone trying out the timeless classic look of a bob. Beautiful. She does have that signature classic middle part down the center. And this is a great length if you do want to keep some hair by still going shorter. Such a chic and flawless hairstyle. Next up, it looks like we have someone going shorter with some layers. Ooh, now this is a subtle way to shake up your hair without doing anything drastic. I talk about this all the time. Layers is a great hairstyle to add some shape to your hair. Very pretty. Next up, we see someone with hair just past their shoulders. And it looks like she's getting a bob for this makeover. Ooh, very nice. Another classic bob style with the center part down the middle. Now you can, of course, keep your ends blunt with this look, or you can add a little bit of a wave and do more of a tousled effect. So it looks like we have another beautiful classic bob makeover here, and she also went back to black with her natural color. Next up, another face framing layered hairstyle. Ooh, beautiful mid-length cut. Look how much volume she has. Wow. Her hair looks so thick and full. Just a luscious head full of hair. I absolutely adore this transformation. Next up, looks like we have someone in the salon for a cut refresh, maybe a hair dye change, a little bit of a touch up with a color. Oh, wow, loving this pixie. She looks absolutely beautiful. I love the way that the color came out too. This is so pretty. We have a color change for the next one. Looks like she's getting a touch up on that copper shade, a little bit of a trim. If you guys do follow this channel, you know that it is no secret. I absolutely love the copper colored trend. Oh, I really like the nice tousled natural texture she has with this beautiful tapered pixie cuts. The color, of course, looks phenomenal. Very nice. And then we have another cut refresh. This classic salt and pepper pixie style. There is the before and there is the after. Absolutely gorgeous shape up. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.